A warm welcome to Auxilium Bazaar Day. Here we are all to welcome you to this grand event of Auxilium Bazaar Day 2025. Let's walk over.
गुड मॉर्निंग. माझे नाव सरीना डिसिजा. माझो चेडो ऑक्झिलियम प्रायमरी स्कुलान शिकता. आयज हांगासर बाजार डे आसा आनी हांव घेवन आसा हिंगासर गोंयचे उकडे तांदूळ जे गोचे मेरुले ओसाळे दाळ तशेंच कोकोनट ऑयल आसा. टायम जावन आसलो 10 ते आतां 12:30 पासून कवर जातले आमचे. सो तुमी येवचे कोण उरल्यान ती येवपाची. हो व्हिडिओ पळोवन येवचो म्हणून मागता तुमचे लागीं. थँक्यू.
माझे नाव ज्योत्सना आणि आयज हांगा ऑक्झिलियम प्रायमरी स्कुलान बाजार डे जाल्लो आसा आनी आमी पळयता हे सगळ्यो हांगा वस्तू हांगा मेवळ्या त्यो गोंयच्यो सगळ्यो लोकल आमच्या गोंयान जे कितें पिकता कितें जाता तितले ह्या बाजाराक हाडलेले आसा आनी हांगा दर जे नाल हे दिसांनी आमी पळयता की खूब म्हारग जाले लोकांक परवडना. पूण हे हांगा आमच्या ऑक्झिलियमान सिस्टरींनी हांगा लोकांचे सगळे समजून घेवन नाल बीन खूब सवाय करून दिल्ले विकलेले आसा आमी. जे म्हापशा 80, 90, 100 नाल आहा ते हांगा 50 40 मेळ्ळे आसा आनी जायते लोकांनी हांगा हेजो लाभ घेतलो फायदो घेतलो आनी जायतो हांगा आमचो आयज बाजार डेक जायते आमकां गिरायक जाले आनी अशे तरेन आमचो अजुनूय चलता. कोणाक जाय जाल्यार येवन आगनी 1-1.5 वर 1 वर कशें आसा येवन लोकांनी व्हरचें.
Hi, my name is Michelle and today we are sitting in Auxilium Primary School and we have organized a bazaar day. So we have bhat, we have bolinos, few are sold. Now we have Goan Mila which is left, dates cake, pinak and little carrot cakes are there. So please come and just buy and help our school for the development of the school.
My name is Grace Martins. I'm an ex-student of Auxilium School. So that today they have organized a bazaar where children have come together, parents have come together and brought small items made at home or from the market. And it's good to see that everyone has got together, especially the young children have sat with their stalls. They don't know what it is, but they are making an effort to sell what they have put in front. So if you can see, we have different types of sweets, handmade. Then we have jaggery, masalas, coconuts, which are essential nowadays. So it's nice to see that our community like this is coming together once in a lifetime and putting forward a small contribution towards the school. So this is my stall with another few companions I have. So we are selling gourd, jaggery, then we have masalas and we have ragi. We also had vinegar, we had papad which got sold out, but we have amazing jaggery put forth, the black one and also the white one.
I am from third standard. I selling limbu today. We can make juice and pickle.
म्हजें नाव निकोला फेर्नांडीस. म्हजो भुरगो ऑक्झिलियमान शिकता चवथेन आहा. आतां आमी घेवन येयल्या हिंगा विकूंक रेशाद मसाला, गरम मसाला, चिलीज एंड सम आनी आमी ओद्दे विकला.
Second standard.
So what you got in this stall?
Bananas, cucumbers, brinjals.
माझे नाव दीपा पार्सेकर. हांवें पातोळ्यो, पोळे आनी दोणे हाडलेले. सेल जालो. पोळे उरल्या, 2 पिशे उरल्या पोळे. बाजार डे आशिल्लो.
म्हजें नाव शवीन. हांव ऑक्झिलियमान आहा. हांव तांदूळ विकूंक बसल्या. म्हजें नाव जेडन. हांव ऑक्झिलियमान फर्स्ट स्टँडर्डान शिकता आनी हांव तांदूळ विकता.
माझे नाव सन्मिता पार्सेकर. हे माझे चेडू श्रीशा पार्सेकर. थर्ड स्टँडर्डान शिकता. आमी बेसनचे लाडू हाडले आयज बाजार डे आसा म्हणून. आनी तशेंच आमकां एक स्टॉल दिल्ले पळोवपाक सिस्टरीन एज अ PTA मेंबर. हांगा खूब तरेचे डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ लाडूज आसले. रवा लाडू, गव्हाचे लाडू, मागीर जोगरी लाडू आनी तशें सान्नांच खूब आयिल्ली. इडली, पातोळ्यो तर आमच्यो रोखड्यो खोपल्यो, पातोळ्यो केल्ल्यो आनी कॉर्न चिवडा, मिक्स चिवडा सगळें आसले. आमचे चडशे आयटम आमच्या स्टॉलार आसले. सो आमचे चडशे सगळे काबार जाल्ले आसा. तुमी पळोवं शकता थोडेशे उरला. आयज बाजार डे आसलो ऑक्झिलियम स्कुलाचो.
बाजार डेयान आमकां खूब कितें कितें खावपाक मेळटालें. पाणी भेल पुरी, मागीर अशो ज्यूस, वडा पाव आनी समोसा. My name is Regan and I am in standard 2. Auxilium School Corona Safe Nature project. We children have to promote cloth bags instead of plastic bags.
This is our eco project from school, Auxilium Corona School. We are promoting use of cloth bags instead of plastic bags, and today we are selling these cloth bags as a part of our bazaar day, and we have more left with us. You can always come in the school and take some for your daily use.
माझे नाव मन्नत कारेकर. आयज आमी ऑक्झिलियम स्कुलान बाजार डे दवरला.
सो आमी सगळे आयटम्स दवरला जे चवथीक आतां यूज जाता. हांव हे भाजयेचे स्टॉल घेवन आसा. म्हाज्या स्टॉलार कढीपत्ता, कुकुंबर, आळू, हे हिरफळा, ब्रिंजॉल हे आसा. म्हाजी भाजी चडशी सगळी गेल्या आनी थोडी उरल्या आनी आमकां अर्दे वर आसा तितून वयतली.
Auxilium Bazaar Day was specially organized to revive the culture of Goa. You can see here the different items which are homemade, which are of the Goan product, which revives the culture of Goa, the authenticity of Goa. As you can see, the cloth bags which promote cloth instead of plastic, and save nature is our motto. Auxilium Corona promotes ecology, promotes growth and promotes development. This is our aim of Auxilium Bazaar Day. Thank you for coming and enjoying the delicacies of Goa, and we will organize such programs in the future. Do support. With the help of the staff, PTA members and parents and of course students, we have done this great event. We will organize much more of this. We do ask for your cooperation. Thank you and God bless.